We search for peace as if it's a destination we must journey to, a prize we must win. We believe it requires grand, sweeping changes. But the truth is often simpler, quieter. Peace doesn't always ask for more, it asks for less. It begins with a single conscious breath, right here, right now. Inhale. And as you exhale, imagine the noise in your mind softening, just for a moment. This is where we start, by decluttering the mind. Our thoughts can feel like a room filled with a lifetime of objects, each one demanding our attention. We don't need to sort through it all at once. Simply notice one thought, one worry that keeps circling. Acknowledge it without judgment, like a cloud passing in the sky. Then, gently guide your focus back to your breath. This small act of release is a powerful step toward inner quiet. From the mind, we move to the heart. Our emotional world can feel just as crowded. We carry the weight of unspoken feelings, of expectations, both ours and others. Peace asks us to lighten this load. Start by naming a single feeling that's present for you today. Is it frustration, sadness, a flicker of joy? Just giving it a name takes away some of its power to overwhelm. This is how we practice gentle boundaries, not as walls to keep others out, but as a way to honor our own capacity. Saying no to an extra commitment can be a profound yes to your own well-being. Less emotional overload creates space for genuine connection, first with yourself and then with others. Now, look around you. Our external environment deeply influences our internal state. A cluttered space can contribute to a cluttered mind. But again, this isn't about a massive overhaul. It's about small, intentional acts of simplification. Choose one small area, a single shelf, a corner of your desk. Remove one object that you no longer need or love. Feel the shift as you create a little more breathing room. This isn't about stark minimalism. It's about curating a space that supports your peace, rather than draining your energy. Less physical clutter creates visual calm, a quiet invitation to rest. Finally, let's address the digital noise. Our devices promise connection, but often deliver distraction and comparison. The endless scroll, the constant notifications, they are subtle thieves of our peace. So, for the next hour, silence your phone. Unfollow one account that makes you feel less than. Close the tabs that are pulling your attention in a dozen different directions. Peace is not an achievement. It is a practice of letting go. It is the space that emerges when we choose less. Less noise, less pressure, less comparison. So today, just for today, what is one small thing you can release? Remove one unnecessary pressure and give yourself the gift of that empty space. You deserve that peace.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.